Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Stepn and the GMT token. The main token of Stepn, at least I think it's the main token, it's the governance token. But it was requested by quite a lot of you. There's still a lot of people trading and holding GMT and at least interested in the price. So I figured I'd make an analysis on that. GMT has not been performing that well. We're also down 12% right now after the news that the crypto exchange Kraken will need to end its crypto staking as a service platform in a settlement with the SEC. Very bad news for GMT. Perhaps it doesn't affect GMT that much, but it's bad news for the crypto markets. And we also felt that with GMT. But apart from that, I mean, ever since practically the 26th of January, when GMT had two quite big rallies, as most of you still remember, we have been very bearish. We've practically been in a downtrend since the 26th of January. It's a strong one. Even while some other cryptos were still relatively bullish, GMT was falling. So at some point, obviously, it's going to stop falling. But I kind of wanted to talk about whether that's right now. While we just had this bad news, bearish fundamentals around the market, can we actually hold this level we have found support at right now at around 42 cents? It's a good question. We'll talk about that. First, I thought it would be interesting to show you some statistics on how Stepn is doing. I mean, GMT does not really, it does not 100% listen to, or it does not react that much to the statistics, but I think it's good for you to know. Daily users of Stepn seem to be very, very low. I am 90% certain that these statistics are correct. But if you know that these statistics are incorrect, please let me know. Usually Dune dashboards is a reliable source. But you can see that altogether, I mean, there are a lot of users, but just the daily new users, it's not that big of a decentralized application anymore, especially not compared to well, a little bit less than a year ago when it was very, very booming. So Stepn is not doing great, and that obviously does not help GMT as a token either. Now, as I said, we have found support at 42 cents. Technically, that's quite a strong support level. All right, so if there's, I wouldn't go as far as to say like if there's a support level where we'll find support, it's this one. But there's actually a chance that this will be a support level that holds. All right, apart from that, I mean, the biggest question we might have to ask ourselves is, do we expect more bearish momentum coming from this news? Do we think there's some sort of a ripple effect? And I think the possibility of that is pretty big, but not this soon. So I actually do think that GMT is able to hold 42 cents as a support. And I think we'll be able to kind of get up to this level between 46, 45. I don't expect a lot of bullish momentum, and I do think we can get there. And I also think that perhaps, I mean, it seems a little bit far, but maybe we'll be able to get to 47, 48. I don't think we'll break above that, especially 48 cents is very, very strong. And then we haven't even started talking about 50 cents, which is very, very strong. It's even stronger. So I do think we'll be able to hold this level. And then what kind of helps GMT, I think, is that next week, Tuesday, we'll have inflation rate numbers, which always make the market move. So I think, and this is a pretty bold statement because I 100% think it's possible that we'll break down lower towards 38 cents. It seems realistic. Maybe it's even the most likely scenario, given the trend and given the fundamentals in the market. But I genuinely do think that 42 cents is a very strong technical level, and I think that we have, for now at least, seen the bearish momentum from this news. Usually the weekend is fairly bullish. So I think we can hold this consolidation until Tuesday next week with the inflation rate, and then depending on those results, but I'll cover that in detail on this channel, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. Based on those results, we can either start an uptrend again, or we'll continue to fall down to 38 cents, and then afterwards 36, 35 cents. So I'll keep you updated on that, either in a full video on the inflation rate and what to expect for all different cryptos, or in an update on GMT. Let me know down in the comments if you'd be interested in that, then I'll make it. But for now, take care, enjoy this Friday, and bye.